Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's SHIB video update. I do see SHIB having some green candles right now pumping, and this and that. But I've talked about Bitcoin and how Bitcoin is making a bearish pattern known as a three-line strike. SHIB is doing the same on the daily time frame, and this is how the bearish three-line strike pattern actually looks like. So three red candles back to back, and then you have that green candle to the upside. That's what we're looking for on SHIB as well. So you do have those three red candles, one big huge green candle. If you want to actually get bullish once again for SHIB, the better scenario is going to be that you come up and break the highest point of 1300 or 1400. If you do somehow come up here, break this level, back test, and then you're really looking to absolutely take off for SHIB as well. So right now the technical target, unfortunately, because of that flag, still remains down to 935. We're still not out of the woods yet. I just want to check if we do have some sort of a trend line right here. So yeah, there's this trend line in my opinion, and we could still see SHIB trying to come up to that trend line, which is going to be 1354, and then perhaps get rejected here and actually drop to the downside. So there could be small relief, just a mini relief to the upside, and that's pretty much it for this update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.